If you are constantly receiving notifications or alerts from ElevenLabs, then in this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop ElevenLabs notifications. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, to do this, you need to access ElevenLabs app info page. You can do this through settings, or the shortcut method is just to go to your app, long press on it, and you should see app info. However, if you can't see this app info option on this pop-up, you should see a settings gear or even the name of the app. Tap on any of this to access ElevenLabs app info page. At this point, scroll to permissions section and look for notifications. As you can see, the notification button is turned on, and because of this, all these notifications are on. To disable all of them, just toggle off show notifications here, and this will turn off all the other notifications, and from now henceforth, ElevenLabs notifications will cease unless you come back here and turn this on again. So that's how you can permanently disable ElevenLabs app notifications. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.